Hey there, content creators. Today, let's dive into a topic that's super crucial for anyone making videos, writing blogs, or sharing any creative work online: copyright. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of boring, but trust me, it's really important. So, what exactly is copyright? Simply put, copyright is a law that gives the creator of original work exclusive rights to its use and distribution. Think of it as a way to protect your hard work. When you create something unique, like a video, a song, or even a blog post, copyright ensures that you control how it's used. Pretty neat, right? Alright, but why should you care about copyright? First off, it protects your work from being used without your permission. Imagine spending hours crafting the perfect video only to find someone else using it, claiming it as their own. Frustrating, isn't it? With copyright, you have legal grounds to stop them. Secondly, it helps you monetize your content. When your work is protected, you can license it, sell it, or even make money off ads. It's how many content creators like you turn their passion into a full-time gig. Without copyright, anyone could just take your work and profit from it, leaving you empty-handed. Now let's talk about respecting other people's copyrights. Using someone else's content without permission can land you in serious trouble. It can result in your video being taken down, your channel being flagged, or worse, you could face legal action. Not fun. So, how do you stay on the right side of copyright law? First, always create your own original content. If you need to use someone else's work, make sure to get their permission or use content that's in the public domain or under Creative Commons licenses. And always give credit where credit is due. Another tip is to use royalty-free music and images. There are tons of resources online offering free or affordable content that you can safely use in your projects. In summary, copyright is your friend. It protects your work, helps you earn money, and keeps you out of legal hot water. Understanding copyright might take a bit of effort, but it's totally worth it for anyone serious about creating content. So keep creating, keep learning, and stay awesome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights for content creators. See you in the next video.